Good morning, or actually good afternoon, from the garden in the woods. And that is a big beef tomato from the year 2002, but that's not my focus today. My focus today is going to be on basil. And you can see that I've transplanted basil into this 10-gallon black grow bag, and it seems like it's doing quite well. So, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be transplanting basil. You can see that everything is still green here in Arkansas. And let's come on over here to the seedling table. You can see we just came from over there. So what we have here is we have sweet basil in a grow bag. This basil is from the year 2000, so the seed came from the year 2000, so the seedlings came from seed that was 23 years old. And I've taken those seeds, planted it in one of those grow bags, and what I'd like to do is I'd like to take another grow bag and put a seedling in it as well. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to put a little hole in the soil and just kind of pat that down a little bit. Okay, you can see I've used a bucket, I've used my regular potting soil, and you can see that this is how I've transplanted all these basil plants, some into pots, some more into grow bags. I have some common mint growing, but transplanting that will be for another day. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this basil seedling, and I'm going to walk backwards carefully to our location where we're going to place our grow bags and tomato seedlings, and that's right here. And you can see I have 10 grow bags with, can I say tomato seedlings? No, these are basil seedlings. And then what you want to do is you want to take some water, and you want to just water that like so. And these are ready to go. Nothing real difficult. It's pretty easy to do, really. I hope you have a chance to give that a try. I think it would work for you. Just find a nice place in the sun and put your grow bags with the seedlings there, and you should have basil in a little while. You can see here, this is, I've shown this before, this is one of the basil plants that I've planted in a strawberry container, and you can see that each one of these little holes in the strawberry container has a basil plant in it. And what I've done is I've taken a couple seedlings, one there and one there, and hopefully those will grow and get to be as big as these right here. Just to repeat, in case I didn't make it clear, I took the seedlings from this grow bag and I just turned it upside and dumped it on this table, and that's how I was able to take these seedlings and transplant them into these basil grow bags. So I just thought that was important for you to know as well. With one of the remaining seedlings, I'm going to put a little hole here in this potting soil, and this is a 10-gallon black grow bag. They work fine. You can use pots, and this happens to be in a grow bag. This little seedling that I just planted, this basil seedling, happens to be in a grow bag that has Roma tomatoes on it. You can see the Roma tomatoes are doing very well. I know some people probably get them earlier, but it's August 1st, and I am very satisfied. Enjoy your full-grown basil once it's grown. And I hope all of you out there have a blessed day.